This is enskate, the coolest street playmate in the world. Enskate's powerful dual motor gives you an unprecedented riding experience. You can enjoy it anytime, anywhere. Controlled by remote and app, with real-time riding data, you can enjoy it all at a glance. Enskate's large-capacity battery with 2-hour quick charge, easy to reach 22 mAh and up to 7.9 miles. It has 4 speed modes. Real light and backlight braking notice keep you safe. You can feel the world with freedom. Enskate is a common language for your generation all over the world. Just enjoy skating together.
Boosted Mini is probably the board I'm most excited about. It's an ultra portable, shorter board that's really easy to carry. The Boosted Mini is a full 8 inches shorter than our longboards.
The shape of the deck was really inspired by pool boards from the 80s. With the techniques that we're using in this composite technology, we're able to get really complex 3D geometry.
The concave and camber on the deck puts the high spots and the ridges exactly underneath the balls of your feet. It lets you know when your foot is too far forward on the board and lets you lock your back foot into the tail.
The kicktail was an important driving force in designing this, and that's really important to the ride feel. It allows you to take sharp corners and also allows you to ride over bumps and cracks in the road more easily.
For the Boosted Mini, we've taken the ride modes from beginner to expert and tuned them in to be more specific to that board form factor. It means on a shorter board with a different stance, you want to still feel secure and stable. So we've tuned in our acceleration profiles and our top speeds to do that for the rider.
You get the same boosted performance, just in a smaller package. And best of all, the Boosted Mini is literally about half the price of our previous longboards. I hope this gives many people a new opportunity to try boosted products.